Shoulders out. Hair? Well, I'm having a bad hair day. Alright, let's talk. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. What are we talking about today? Let me discuss how do you make 2021 your best year so far. There's a few points I would like to discuss with you guys. These are also some of the things that I personally have on my own list, and I know I need to improve on these also. So let me discuss what those things are, because if you do these things, trust me, you're gonna get out of 2021 so much more wealthier, healthier, better, prettier, and just overall so much better. So what are the points? Let's start. Also, for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is 𝗪𝗑𝗡𝗨𝗑𝗣𝗠. You can find me on all social media platforms with the same name. So make sure you do follow me on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Snapchat, and here we are on YouTube. Let's start. Point number 1. You need a better wardrobe. And I mean when I say you really need to upgrade the quality of your wardrobe. I don't want you to buy anything from the sales rack. Remember, we have talked about this before in my previous videos also. You want to buy quality, good items, timeless pieces that always look fashionable, that are always in trend, that never go out of fashion, and that are just timeless. We all know when we look better every day, we feel better. It is just scientific. Okay, let's just not make it any more complicated than that. When you look better, when you're dressed better, when you have your nails did, when you have your hair did, you just feel so much more better, don't you? And when you have some cute makeup on, a cute outfit on, you do feel like $1,000,000, and that is just what it is. So let's just stop going against the norms and always being lazy in our PJs, because what good does that do for you? It really doesn't do anything. Why do you want to be lazy in the first place? I truly believe at this point in my life, whoever says that they just want to be in their PJs all day Netflixing and chilling, I just feel like, oh, that's another definition for being lazy, basically, right? And you don't want that, do you? Because nothing good comes out of that. So look better, feel better, and you'll have a better year. Let's just start there. Point number 2, your morning rituals and your evening rituals also. Guys, please have your rituals in order. For example, one little ritual I have every day, I go for a walk every day. You guys know that. If you follow me, you guys know I'm so much into my walking and waist training. By the way, if you want your waist trainers, don't forget to visit 𝗓𝗏cosmetics.co.uk. Get your waist trainers in, start working out with them, start going for a walk with them, and you're gonna see your waist literally snatching in. So it's a perfect start for weight loss and obviously making sure this year goes better for you and you look better this year also. Coming back to our point, one ritual that I do have, I go for my walk every day, kind of waist training. Every time I come back from the walk, it's already time for prayers, and it's also time for my smoothies. So that is like one ritual I have. Walk in the day when I'm done with my work, come back from the walk, shower, get ready quickly, and get into my praying attire, and then pray. So that is the one thing that I do every single day. When I come back from a walk, the first thing I'm doing is praying, and then after that, make a healthy smoothie and eat a salad. So this is like my evening snack, and it's also healthy. And usually throughout the day, you guys know I'm always intermittent fasting. So that means every time I come back from my walk, that is that time where I'll actually start eating in the day, okay? And I always do that after my prayers. So that is a ritual that I actually have every day. Another ritual I have every evening is I do my skincare at the same time listening to songs, or sometimes even watching some documentaries. Like, it's a daily thing that I like to do. I just like my me time. So when I'm doing my nighttime skincare routine, I like to have some music on and just like relax, or maybe watch some informative documentaries on Netflix or something like that. But I always do something. So it's kind of like multitasking, but it's so relaxing. I put some candles on, which I have on right now also. I just love that one. So I put my candles on, some music on probably, some jazz, and do my skincare. Or sometimes I also like to record some content as I do my skincare, which I know is crazy, but these are just my daily rituals and I can't live without them. Another morning ritual that I have is I like to sit down with my mother for just like 15 to 20 minutes, maybe have a cup of tea or something and just watch TV and just kind of connect and talk or whatever. So these are like the daily things that you can all take time out and do something, okay? So have your daily rituals in place. These are 3 of my personal rituals that I just told you, but this is a daily thing. So you can determine what are your daily rituals. What do you like to do? What do you like? Maybe scrambled eggs with coffee every day as you're talking to your friend on the phone every day? Or maybe you like to Netflix and maybe make some healthy snacks as you watch your Netflix series or whatever. Please have your rituals ready. Write them down. Whatever your ritual is, try to stick to that. It should be something that you truly enjoy. Another one of my ritual definitely is waist training. So as I'm walking, I always have my waist trainers on, so it's like done and out of the way. It's like a fitness ritual, let's just call it. So that is done and out of the way since gyms are closed in London anyway. So that's that. Point number 3. Please, ladies, get your money right. This goes for both gentlemen and ladies. Start saving. Ever since I started to save 20% of everything that I make in a month, my life has changed for the better, and it truly will for you also. Getting out of this year, one thing is for sure, you need your finances right. Your money has to be correct. It has to be in order, and you need to have that satisfaction by the end of this year that this year, every month, you have been saving at least 20% of everything you made every month. Trust me, start paying yourself, okay? It's so worth it. You're going to see the results later on. If you also want some more financial tips, there is an amazing video I did where you can shop online and save a lot of money at the same time while doing that. Then watch this video of mine. I will link it for you in the description below, and that is like my best financial advice for 2021 that you must watch. And don't forget, the 60-40 rule is the best. 60% is your expenses, all gone, done. You're left with 40%. Now you do your thing with that, okay? Again, save 20%, 20% you have for your extra things. You can do charity, you can do whatever the hell you want with that. But anyway, but for more details on that, watch that video. It's gonna get your money right and you're gonna be living better this year. Our next point, less social media, more living in the moment. Now this is so important. I feel like we all have lost connection to reality to a certain degree if you think about it, because social media. Everybody is so busy and occupied with social media. If you sit with your friends or a couple of friends, chances are more than half of those people are actually sitting with other people while at the same time scrolling through Instagram and Facebook. That's all they do all day apparently, okay? Even at nights. When you can't sleep at night, tell me, what do you do? Of course you're scrolling through Instagram. Duh. We all know that. So stop doing that. This is one thing you don't want to do this year, because guess what? Nothing comes out of it. Nothing. And I'm really big on that. Again, watch my previous videos. The few mistakes that you should never do if you're in the process of leveling up. One of them includes only follow people that truly inspire you, and not those people who trigger any type of insecurities or traumas or doubts in you. If that's happening, guess what? Unfollow those people. Please do that right now. It is so important to start living in the moment. If you are sleeping, please focus on your sleep. A healthy, good night's sleep is priceless. You cannot put a price on a good, healthy sleep. It is the most important thing in life, especially for girls. We call it beauty sleep for a reason. If you start living more in the moment, you're gonna find that your relationships improve, your connections improve, your networking improves. Also, your social skills are going to improve. Your relationship skills are going to improve also. So focus on those things, and you won't be able to do those things if your focus is just on social media. Until and unless you are a content creator like me, we make content and then we get out of social media. I am certainly not scrolling through Instagram all night and all day. I just don't do that, which is why you will never see me liking anybody's post, because I don't even get to see them. I never see anything. I'm sorry. However, I do consciously follow people that I want to see things from, that I want to learn something from, which is why my channel, I want to keep it strictly to very informative stuff, so you can always watch me and learn something from me. And hopefully, intentionally, consciously, I always try to keep it safe for everybody who watches that, so nobody should feel insecure or doubtful while watching me, at least. I always keep that in consideration. Whatever piece of content I make, it's always in my mind. So every type of race, every type of culture, every type of age group is safe when they watch my content. Our next point number 5, better relationships, better connections, better networks. Your network is going to tell everything about you. The type of people that you hang out with tells everything about you. So tell me, who are the people that you hang out with? Do they look like donkeys, or are they truly serious with their life, decent with their persona? wise with their knowledge, smart with their education, savvy with their finances. If they are those people, you're in good hands. If not, what are you doing with them? Also, no matter how many people you know, there is always a few good people that you always take for granted, don't you? Those are always those people that are always on your side, no matter what you do. You leave them, you come back to them. You leave them, you come back to them because you take those people for granted. But those people are in your radar. Guess what? Those are your true people. But you take them for granted. Why don't you start taking care of those people? Those are the very people that deserve all of your attention and all of your affection. So start giving it to them. Take care of your people. Stop caring about people that really don't care for you, but you can't even help but you always want to impress them. Stop. I'm sure you're able to relate to this point, but there's always certain people in your life that just never leave you no matter what. No matter what you do, they don't judge you. They're always somehow on your side. And even if you meet those people after a few years, let's say, it seems like you've always been together. So those are the people that you should now start taking care of, because the more you nurture your connections and your relationships, trust me, the better they are going to become. And that is truly what you need. Getting out of 2021, I would want you to not only just have healthy sleep, less usage of social media, but a lot more healthier relationships and connections and just true healthy bonds with each other, rather than toxic patterns that you always find yourself in, always trying to impress the wrong people, always trying to interact with the wrong ones, trying to get validation because you're so insecure and doubtful about yourself. Stop falling into that cycle and just break that cycle for yourself once and for all. And this year is certainly going to be the best year of your life. If you keep these points in mind, trust me, you're going to do so much better. If you take care of all of these 5 points that I told you, you are going to do so much better. And coming out of 2021, as I said, you're going to thank me for this. So write down these points, make some notes, and start working on yourself and start improving your life, improving yourself, and embark on self-development journey, because it only gets better. You are only going to get better. And if you get better, we all know life gets better too. So stop thinking that life is happening to you, because if you think about it, life actually happens for you. So I wish you guys so much luck with this year, and some luck for myself also. So many prayers for you guys, and thank you so much for your support also. Please leave your comments down in the comment section also, and don't forget, please give this video a thumbs up. We are going to try and kill the algorithm this year, for me at least, because I definitely want my channel to do so much better this year. And if you guys can support me and help me with that, that would mean the world to me. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, please take care of your well-being. Until then, bye.